What is going on, guys? How's it going? I don't know if today's Christmas for you guys or yesterday was Christmas, but anyways, I hope you guys had a beautiful day with your family and everybody. As you can see, Florida weather does not feel like Christmas at all, but we all love Christmas, guys. At least me, I absolutely love Christmas. I know this video we're doing a Q&A, but I think after the Q&A, I really want to show you guys my town and just how pretty it is, because I live in Naples. Naples, you know, it's like a rich people town. Obviously, I don't live in the rich part, but like the downtown and all that, it's super pretty. So after the Q&A, we're gonna go ahead and head over there, because I just really want you guys to see how nice it is, and maybe we can take a couple cool pictures. Who knows? Also, I have something to tell you guys. So I know I daily drive this car, but guys, I have not driven Brittany in I think like 4 or 5 days. I have not even touched her. I've been literally driving the family car all around. This should be pretty fun. And for those of you wondering how I did my Q&A, I posted on my Instagram Q&A for tomorrow video, bros. DM me some questions, and a lot of you guys DM me some questions. So I screenshotted my favorite ones. Did get a pretty good amount of questions, so let's go ahead and head to the spot. And after, I can't wait to make it to downtown. Whew, man, I have not driven this car in like almost a week, guys. Oh my goodness. Don't stall, I just can't stall. But honestly, let me know in the comments below, guys, what is your favorite holiday and why? Christmas is my favorite holiday because, I don't know, just like how everybody is, it's like, I feel like it's that day of the year where everybody's like the most happy, and just everybody's nice to each other and happy, and there's gifts and family. That's basically why Christmas is my favorite holiday. But yeah, in the comments below, guys, let me know which one's yours and why. You know what I really want, guys? Like the carbon fiber and leather steering wheel. Like that looks so sick. I want it. I want it. Made it to the spot. Got some Q&As on the phone. Let's start a Christmas Q&A. Scratch that, guys. I was getting out of the car. There's a protein bar down there. Do you have? Honestly, I don't even know the last time I ate one of those protein bars. You can see it right there. Oh my god, this is so bad. Okay, so question number 1. I think the questions, I'm gonna put a picture like right here of the question, but it is coming from LukeScott02. That's his Instagram. So he says, do you plan on getting a carbon fiber hood? If so, what kind? Guys. Honestly, the Z looks absolutely perfect right now, guys. Like, I love how she looks. But I feel like little things like a carbon fiber hood is definitely gonna make her better. So 2019, yes, I do plan on getting a carbon fiber hood. What kind? I'm not sure. I gotta look into that, but carbon fiber hood for 2019, yes, definitely one of the mods is coming. So the next question is actually a really interesting question that I'm really like, I really like this question, but two people kind of asked the same thing. So Torres Fernando and Fat Dong. Good name, bro. Good name. Oh, so Torres Fernando said, will you twin turbo the car? I'm assuming he's talking about 2019. Or begin a new build. And then Fat, whatever, said new project car in the future. So honestly, I've been really thinking about this, like, I don't know, like the past week or two, guys. I don't know if I should continue this. Obviously, she's not even done. She's not even close to being done yet, guys. But I don't know if I should like implement other things into the channel. Should I like bring in a new project card? What do you guys want me to like? This is more of a question for you guys. I don't know. And if I do end up getting a project car in 2019 and working on that instead of working more on this, I do plan on getting either. I don't want to spoil it, but by the time you guys are probably gonna forget. So I'm looking into like a 300. Those are a lot easier to find than the 240Zs or 280s. We'll see, guys. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be either one of those two, but I'm leaning a lot more towards the 300 because they're a lot easier to find. And we'll see where everything takes us, guys. And when I say 2019, I'm not talking about January or February or March. I'm talking more like, we'll see, guys, we'll see. All right, so next question up on the list is from Koa Batch. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your guys' Instagram wrong. I'm really sorry. But he said, is the Z reliable and easy to fix? Honestly, guys, I've already owned the Z for like 2 years and 2 months, 2 years and 3 months around there. I should really do like a 2-year overall review on it. But anyways, yes, it is really reliable, guys. Like more than I even thought. I have literally, fingers crossed, please please nothing happened. Nothing has really happened to my Z. When I first got it, like the first 3 months, my slave cylinder went bad. Obviously, I've already told you guys that story plenty of times. I've even talked about it in like my 1-year review video. But it's really reliable, guys. Like I've never had problems with it. I mean, I don't really drive the car hard a lot. I mean, sometimes for the videos and stuff, but like when I'm just driving normally, I don't really drive it a lot. or go hard on the car a lot. But yes, non-turboed cars like the 370Z, which is a V6, are very reliable. Should you buy one? Yes. Next part of the question, are they easy to fix? Honestly, Nissans are relatively easy to work on. Next question is from Nathan, and I'm not gonna say his last name because I'm not sure how to say it. So he said, what made you want to get a 370Z and were your parents cool about it? What made me want to get it? Honestly, it looks amazing. I've already made a video on it, so I'm gonna go fast. It looks amazing, it's fast, don't really have to do much to it. Yeah. And I don't know, basically I just love this car because it looks good, it's fast, and why not? And obviously it was my dream car. And next question is, were your parents cool about it? Absolutely not. My parents were really not cool about me getting this car at all, guys. Like, not cool at all. They still supported me, but they hated it. Especially the fact that it's a manual. It was bad. But I talked to them and here I am. Which honestly, every single teenager that wants to get a sports car, I'm pretty sure they have to go through that. Can you guys hear that music? Where's that coming from? Next question is from Lucas McMullen. He said, is the GTR still your dream car? If not, what is? And if it still is, what car will be your second dream car, if that makes sense? Yeah, it makes sense, bro. So, yes, my dream car is always going to be a GTR, honestly. I don't know, that's something I have to have. It's not even because it's an amazing car, just because I told myself I was going to have it like 3-4 years ago. So, it's something I need to have. Then when I get it, if I get bored of it, I might sell it. Probably not, but that's something I have to have, and it's my dream car forever. So, but that's an interesting question, though. My second dream car, honestly, it would have to be between the GT3 RS or the Z06. Yeah, definitely. Because when I was a little kid, I used to play Need for Speed Most Wanted. Yeah, Most Wanted and Need for Speed Shift. My two favorite cars, guys, I will always remember. It was a Porsche and the Corvettes. Always, 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 always. Ghost Z 0831. He said, how do you stay motivated when you're broke? I don't know why I found that so funny, because it was just like direct. Honestly, man, how do I stay motivated when I'm broke? Because I don't really focus on the situation that's going on right now. Like, I do focus on it, but I always think like bigger than that, like where I want to be 3 years from now, where I'm gonna be, what my goals are. Just like having goals and knowing that you're going the right, well, not even knowing you're going the right direction, just like having goals and working towards them every day. It doesn't matter where you're at now, because if you keep going, you're gonna be where you want to be at like 5 years from now, 3 years from now. So I mean, obviously worry where you're at now, but don't really let it get to you. Just sort of focus on what you want to do and work towards it. I feel like that's what really motivates me when I'm broke. And when I'm broke and I want to buy car parts and I can't because I'm broke, I just get sad and cry. Just kidding. I told myself that right now I can't, but I gotta work hard so in the future I can get that GTR, I can twin turbo, have a project car. We can do it, bros, together. Just keep working hard, we can do it. Last but not least, this question is by my friend Clyde 370Z on Instagram. If you guys haven't already, go ahead and follow him and follow his YouTube, link in the description. So he basically said, any tips for new channels like mine? He also has a 370Z, guys, and he makes YouTube videos. Honestly, man, any tips for people just wanting to start out YouTube and just, I don't know, to grow it, I guess? Just keep going and make content that other people want to see, and really just edit the best you can. Just try your best. That's what I'm gonna say. Like, make videos to the point where people are like, wow, that channel has so little subscribers for the quality of the video he makes. I feel like that's the biggest thing you should do. Like, even if you're a small channel, don't treat yourself like that. Like, don't have the mindset, oh, I'm a small channel, let me just throw that in there. Like, try your best to pump out the best videos you can. And yeah, I think that's probably the best tips that I can give you guys. If you want to start and haven't already, literally just grab a GoPro and start. You guys got this. So I really wanted to go ahead and take you guys to downtown and show you how pretty it is, but sadly I work in a little bit, so it's getting kind of late already. I work in like an hour, so I'm not gonna have time to go and come back. So, but I'll show you guys tomorrow, which is gonna be like literally like split second for you guys. And just like that, it's a new day, guys. It's a new day. So currently I just finished washing the Z. So you guys see right there, I polished her, cleaned her, a lot of things. You guys are gonna go ahead and see that footage on another video further on probably. So like I promised you guys, right now I'm gonna go ahead and take you guys over to downtown so you can see how everything is, and I don't know, we can just see if we can spot some cool cars. Everything is probably closed because today's Christmas Day, but who knows. The car has not been turned on in like 4 hours, so here's a 4-hour long cold start, I guess. Something I've been meaning to really talk about with you guys, because I have not hinted on the channel at all or even talked about it. It's a video that I'm doing tomorrow, which is the day you're watching this, like I'm already making the video. So, and that's pretty much gonna be the last video of 2018, which I'm really happy it is, because I'm gonna end it on a really good video. So I can't wait, guys. You guys are gonna like it. You guys are gonna like it. So I really didn't say this in the Q&A. I kind of just assumed you guys would kind of like figure that out for yourself. But if I do end up getting a project car for the channel in 2019, which I'm like 90% sure that I am. I know, pretty exciting. I'm obviously gonna keep the Z. The Z's not going anywhere, so don't worry, guys. Don't worry. It's gonna be the project car and then the Z. We'll see what happens, bros. But I just wanted to throw it out there. Made it, boys. We made it. And with that said, enjoy the view. Woo! But let's also throw in some GoPro footage. We sort of just made it to some random parking spot, guys. We're over here literally by ourselves. It's pretty much the end of the video, guys. I just really wanted to end it over here with all the lights, and I showed you guys the Christmas lights, and we had a lot of fun. We went on a little adventure together, so really hope you guys enjoy this type of video. Let me know if you want to see more like this. But anyways, like I was saying, guys, I really hope you enjoy that Q&A and coming over here to downtown and seeing all the lights. That said, make sure you leave a thumbs up if you enjoyed. Join the family, guys. Subscribe to the channel. Post notifications on to know whenever I upload. Yeah, from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys next time. Peace.